Dear students, in this lecture, today I'm going to explain you about the qualities of good leadership. A person requires personal, psychological, mental, emotional, conceptual, technical, behavioral, and manager qualities to be effective leader. A leader should have clear vision, desire of learning new knowledge, and capacity of understanding human behavior. A leader must be social, cooperative, and initiative. So, to be a successful leader, the following important qualities are required. Number one, number one, physical. Number one, physical fitness. Physical fitness. Leader should be physically fit and and good fit of health. Good fit of health. They should have full of energy, vigor, that is courage, vitality, and enthusiasm. They should be willing to work hard to attain the organizational goal. Therefore, physical fitness is also one of the attributes to be in a good leadership. Now, similarly, the next point I'm going to explain you about uh, a clear sense of purpose. Every leader must have ability to define and share the vision, mission, and objective with their followers. A leader must be clear about the vision, mission, and purpose on any idea, priority, and process. If the leader is not clear, followers cannot be convinced with the leader. Therefore, this is also one of the very, very important qualities to be in a leader. So, next point I'm going to deal about good judgment. The leaders must have the ability to understand the effect of any types of changes within and outside the organization. Leaders should be able to judge the environmental effect on business. Leaders must show the sense of fair play and justice to all the employees. He has to judge all the employees with equal eyes of justice. Therefore, every leader must have the capacity of good judgment, in the absence of which he could not be a leader and he could not lead the organizations in the proper manner. Next point I'm going to discuss you about moral integrity. The leaders should have good moral character. They should own the qualities of honesty, loyalty, trustworthiness, devotion, and fear in implementing the organizational plans and policies. Unless and until the leaders do possess moral integrity or honesty, he could not be the leader in spite of having any other qualities. This is a very, very important qualities to be in a leaders. Leaders with high moral integrity or honesty provide sense of moral discipline to the employees, and this is also one of the important qualities to be in a leader. Next one, self-confident. The leaders must be self-confident to achieve the predetermined goals. Unless and until the leaders are confident within himself or herself, he could not guide his subordinates. They have to be confident within themselves of what they are doing. They must have adequate knowledge and skills to understand themselves. Leaders must have skills of analyzing their strengths and weaknesses. If leaders themselves are less confident, subordinates do not trust upon them. They also may lose their confidence level. This is also one of the important qualities to be in a leader. Next one, technical competency. Managerial leaders should be technically competent. They should have adequate knowledge about the related jobs of what they are performing. Technically competent leaders make their decisions more effective and efficient. Technical competency enables leaders to guide and control followers. So, unless and until they deserve technical competency, they could not be an efficient leader and run the organizations in a dynamic manner. Next one, managerial qualities. Leaders must have all the managerial qualities like planning, organizing, directing, decision making, controlling, communication, etc. Leaders should be decisive. They should be clear about what they are doing. They must be trustworthy. They must have enough ideas for solving conflicts, sorrows, and grievances of the employees. Therefore, unless and until they do possess these managerial qualities, they could not be efficient leaders. And apart from this, apart from this, situational adaptability. Leaders must have the ability to adapt the changes. They should have ideas of managing environmental changes and unpleasant situations. Every situation in the organizations are not pleasant, so they should know how to adapt with that different changing and unpleasant situation. Leaders should have qualities of flexibility for adjusting organizational activities in changing situations. Similarly, other they must be creative, or creativity is also one of the leadership qualities. Leaders should be creative and innovative as an entrepreneur. They should have good knowledge of solving crisis situation creatively. Leaders should have enough creativity so that they can have efficient, they can have effective and efficient plan to start up new business, use available resources of the organization, manage the organizational efforts and activities, and direct the followers. I think, class, you might have got some ideas about good leadership. And if you do have uh, any question, you can ask, or you can write in the comment box. And in the next class, I'll come up with the new lecture with next topic. Thank you so much.